Hello, how are you? This is your teacher Nelida talking about gerund and infinitive. Sometimes we need to use two verbs at the same time. And the second verb sometimes is going to be a gerund. And sometimes the second verb is going to be an infinitive. Let's see when. First of all, we are going to remember what is an infinitive and what is a gerund. For example, an infinitive is to play, to dance, to watch. In other words, an infinitive is made with the word to plus a verb in the base form. On the other side, we have the gerunds. Gerunds are verbs plus the ing ending. For example, playing, dancing, watching. We use the gerund forms of the verb when it is the subject of the sentence. This is one use of the gerunds. For example, swimming is my favorite sport. Here, swimming is the subject of the sentence because the verb to be is here. Also, we can say playing the piano is my favorite way to relax. Playing is the subject of the sentence. Eating fruit is good for your health. In this case, eating fruit, this is the subject. We generally use the infinitive form in sentences with more than one verb. For example, she likes to dance ballet. Likes is the main verb, to dance is the second verb. Or, I love to eat chocolate. Love is the main verb and to eat is the second verb. According to the first verb, you can use the second one in the infinitive or in the gerund form. For example, I like to watch movies, or I like watching movies. She loves to play games, or she loves playing games. The first verb is like. The second verb is to watch or watching. In infinitive, then in gerund. In this case, both are correct. Because there are some verbs that can be followed by a gerund and an infinitive. As you have seen, like, prefer, love, hate, begin, start, can stand, continue. All these verbs accept at the same time a gerund or an infinitive. For example, she hates to go to the park. Or we can say she hates going to the park. Both of them are correct. Also, I continue to do my homework. Or I continue doing my homework. Both of them are correct. Also, she began to ride her bike in the morning. Or we have begun riding her bike in the morning. Both are correct. Some verbs that can be followed by only a gerund are. In this case, we are going to see some verbs that only accept a gerund. They don't accept an infinitive as a second verb. For example, avoid, admit, consider, deny, enjoy, discuss, keep on, dislike, practice, finish, quit, enjoy, stop, think about. All these verbs just accept a gerund as a second verb. They don't accept an infinitive. Also, we have some verbs that are composed. It means they have a preposition at the end. For example, we get used to, get tired of, be excited about, get excited about, get interested in, keep on, talk about, complain about, think about, look forward to. As you can see with the color red, all these verbs have a preposition at the end. It means that they need a gerund. For example, he enjoys listening to music. We have the verb enjoy, and according to our list, it needs just a gerund. So, listen. She is excited about traveling by plane. Here we have about, the preposition. So, we need to use a gerund. We have stopped eating junk food. We have the verb stop, and the ing form is needed. In these cases, these three verbs, enjoy, is excited, stopped, they just need gerunds. They don't accept infinitives. Well, this is the end of the first part. Please rewrite these sentences using a gerund as a second verb. See you in the second part.